name is Jensen, and I will be doing Module 5, Unit 2, Parts 1 and 2, Managing Money. My parts consist of performing conversions and calculations involving percents and finding percent increase or decrease. How to convert percents. First, you take a fraction, as above, 3 out of 10, and convert it to a decimal by dividing, and it would make it a 0.3. Then you would take that decimal and move it 2 places to the right and add a percent sign to the end, and then you would have 30%. Another example would be 3 out of 5. You take that percent and that fraction and divide it, and you would get 0.6. Then move the decimal places 2 places to the right and add a percent sign to the end, and then you would have 60%. Here's a comic. It says, being a math teacher, I can't ask my students to give 110% because it's not possible. First, to find percent increase, you have to find the difference or increase between comparing numbers. Then divide the increase by the original number and multiply the answer by 100. If the number is negative, then the percent is a decrease. So how you would do it, from the example right here, you would take $89 and subtract it by $62, and you would have a $27 increase. You would take the number 27 divided by 62 and multiply it by 100, and your answer would be 43.6%, and that is your percent increase. To find percent decrease is pretty much the same thing, just a little bit backwards. So first you have to find the difference or decrease between the two numbers you're comparing, then divide the decrease by the original number and multiply the answer by 100. Again, if your number is negative, then your percent is an increase. So for example, you have 435 basketballs and subtract it by 212 basketballs for a total of 223 basketball decrease. You would take 212 divided by 435 basketballs, multiply by 100, and you would get 48.7% decrease. And that is all for parts 1 and 2, and Destiny will have her videos about parts 3 and 4. Thank you.